Guys, congratulations on a great series win. Congratulations to Surya as well. Outstanding captaincy and more importantly with the bat as well. Guys, I asked for something before the start of the game and you absolutely delivered it. This is what happens when you keep fighting. You don't give up. These kind of games happen. And the only way these games can happen is when you keep fighting on every delivery and for every run. And this was the example. We keep getting better. We keep improving our skills as well because we need to still get better on playing on wickets like these. Because we might end up getting these kind of wickets. So we should first assess the situation and conditions really quickly and what is the past score as well. So there are a lot of learnings from this game, but more important than not, it's a great series win. Let's carry on. Some of the guys who will not be part of the 50 over format will have a longer break. So make sure when you come back for the Bangladesh series, you can take a break, you absolutely deserve it, but more importantly, keep your skills and especially the fitness levels high. You don't want to come for that series thinking that, okay, I can just turn up and probably deliver for the team. So make sure that from the fitness point of view, the fitness levels are right up there. Okay, congratulations once again. Hardik, want to wrap it up?
First of all, well done. I think in batting, first I'll go in batting. I think we were challenged. Conditions were difficult. But I think after losing those early wickets, Shubman and Riyan, the way they batted and created the partnership was brilliant. So I think when we speak about situational awareness, I think that point of time what you both did was very, very important. And that gave us a platform to at least reach to a decent total which our bowlers can make sure and bowl at the right areas. Especially, I always emphasize on the fact that the lower order has to come and chip in. And I think Boshi and those 8 runs by Bishi was very, very important. As Gautam bhai mentioned, Surya, well done on making sure that the way you rotated the bowlers, making sure, showing faith in the bowlers which you gave in the last couple of overs. That was brilliant. And as a bowling group, obviously it was fantastic. Everyone chipped in. Boshi, well done, buddy. When you win games like this, eventually it kind of takes us forward. We are taking step by step, but this was definitely a right step going forward for the future. And well done to all the guys who are playing ODIs. Kill it. Continue.